Alibaba offers Uyghur recognition as a service, making it simple for China entities to racially profile and discriminate against the persecuted ethnic minority. The company, founded by Jack Ma, has a market cap of over $700 billion and is often considered the Amazon of China. Alibaba offers various cloud services through its multi-billion-dollar cloud subsidiary. Alibaba's facial recognition includes ethnic minority Uyghur recognition. IPVM found Alibaba Cloud's help documentation showing a step-by-step guide with a code example for identifying Uyghurs. China users can simply send images of people, whether from phones or surveillance video, to the service, and if Alibaba suspects a Uyghur, it will flag the person. The persecution of Uyghurs is expanding from Xinjiang throughout China. IPVM has revealed over a dozen China police departments using analytics that track Uyghurs. These analytics are even part of top government facial recognition guidelines. IPVM also revealed that China's largest video surveillance manufacturer, Hikvision, promoted a Uyghur-detecting AI camera a year ago. And the second and third largest video surveillance manufacturers, Dahua and Uniview, were both found to offer software that tracks Uyghurs. And earlier this month, IPVM found that China's largest tech company, Huawei, worked with Megvii to test Uyghur alarms. When IPVM questioned these companies, all of them promptly deleted the evidence online. China's tech firms are profiting from the systematic abuse and oppression of Uyghurs.